In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Jetpack plugin for Woocommerce. Jetpack is an incredibly powerful plugin that helps you enhance your WordPress site with features like security, performance optimization, and additional tools that integrate seamlessly with Woocommerce. Whether you're looking to improve your store's functionality or ensure your website is running smoothly, Jetpack can be a game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Jetpack up and running on your WordPress site, and you'll be ready to explore its features and customize it to meet your needs. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage your website, so make sure you have your login credentials ready. If you're already logged in, you're all set to move forward. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Plugins. Plugins are essentially tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress site, and Jetpack is one of the most versatile plugins you can add. Go ahead and click on Plugins. Next, you'll be taken to the Plugins page where you can manage the plugins you already have installed on your website. To add a new one, look towards the top of this page. You'll see a button labeled Add New. Click on this button to proceed to the plugin directory. Now, you'll see a search bar in the top right corner of the screen. This is where you can search for any plugin you'd like to install. Type Jetpack into the search bar and press Enter. WordPress will then display a list of plugins related to your search. In the search results, you should see the official Jetpack plugin created by Automatic. It's important to choose the correct plugin, so double-check that it's the one developed by Automatic, as this is the trusted and official version. Once you've found it, you'll see a button next to the plugin that says Install Now. Click this button to begin the installation process. The installation may take a moment, so be patient while WordPress does its thing. Once the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the Jetpack plugin on your site. After activating the plugin, you'll notice a new option has been added to your left-hand menu called Jetpack. This is where you can manage the plugin and access its features. Click on Jetpack to head over to the Jetpack dashboard. Now that you're in the Jetpack dashboard, take a moment to explore the settings. Jetpack offers a wide range of features, from site stats and security scanning to downtime monitoring and performance enhancements. You can customize these settings to fit the specific needs of your website and WooCommerce store. For example, if you're focused on improving site performance, you might want to enable the CDN for images. Or if you're more concerned about security, you could activate features like brute force protection and spam filtering. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated the Jetpack plugin for WooCommerce. From here, spend some time exploring its features and adjusting the settings to make the most of what Jetpack has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.